Hey everybody. Well, to go to laptop computer, y'all barely see though sometimes. I'm used to it up front though, because y'all know I'm used to the big computer that I made. So I bought something for this computer though, because I needed it, because I was tired of using the mouse pad. So I bought a wireless mouse. See, look at that. Power Gear. Bought it from Target for $14 and it cost me $16. Yeah. So let's open it. Now I'm gonna try to open it because it's already open. See my best to crack it open. Hold on. Okay, so let's open this. I'll open a little bit of it. This is hard plastic. Oof. I don't know, this might take a minute to open. Ugh. Okay, now let's see if we can open it from this side. Let's first see if we can take this thing out. Let's see, is there any instructions? Nope, no instructions. Hey, why is there a battery? Oh, here's the instructions. We'll see. Let's just get this thing out. If I can. Hold on. Ooh. Damn thing came apart. Okay, this thing came apart, but it must supposed to come apart. So let's do it. Okay, we're gonna do it like this. Okay, but I gotta take it apart because you gotta put the battery in this thing. Okay, so what we gotta do is pop this off. This does come off, and the battery that they give you, you gotta put it in there. Do it like this. Dang. And you gotta put this thing back on. See. Where the red light go, we'll see. So now we got to pull this thing out and put it into the USB system. This is the wireless thing to go in. I'm going to turn the laptop around here and put it in one of the blue ones. Ta-da! All right. Now let's open the laptop. Oh, this laptop is dirty. Okay, so I have to turn the power on this. Now let me see if I can cut it on though. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I messed up. So what we gotta do is, you don't put this on the computer. I messed that up. So you better take this. So we take this and we have to put it into this. I thought it was a computer, but I wasn't paying attention. So we gotta put this in here. Oops, right here. See it? And then you push it down. Nope, this the other way. Goes in, boom. Then you put your battery in here. First, let me move this. I hope I can get it. Or is it just more like, you know? The battery's in wrong again. Or is it? Let's see. Will it power up? Battery's in wrong. Hold on. Okay, so I put the battery back in, right? Now, let's see. Will it find it? Hold on. Again, I was right. Let's put it back in the computer. I know this is hard and weird. Okay. So now I gotta put my top back on. Now I say power it up, but oh, here we go. See, now I thought it was this button, but no, it's this button to turn it on. Let's turn it on. This little button right here. There it go. See red light? Now let's see if it's on the computer. Oh, there it is. See, it's on the computer. Let me show you. There goes the mouse. It's on the floor. And then you can see me moving it. See, oh, let me show you. See? So it works. Takes a little bit to learn real quickly, but it works. I got it on the floor. I don't have a mouse pad. So see, I bought it so I could just use, because the mouse pad on this computer is, you know. So there it goes. I made a little mistakes, but got it working. Let me show y'all again. Your power button is, I thought it was this, it's this one right here. Right there. Here. Cut it off. Cut it off. Hook your USB to the computer and put your battery, when you need to replace it, into this. So it's not bad for the price, you know. There it go. Cut it back on. Boom. Red light's on. Got a wireless mouse. So that's it, y'all. That is the unboxing of Power Gear wireless mouse 2 gigahertz. So that's it.